Yes, it's Saturday, July 26th. Expressions will be at the BFF Expo at Harmony Beach.
We'll have merchandise on sale.
Tumblers, tights, shirts.
You name it.
The gen of them, I don't know, unity is strength. We have the hat them phone. That is it. For the ladies, we have can I get a wow. And you know what? We have shot glass for the whole of the rum drinker them. All bars. Just check in, man. We have all of the goods then, see? So check in and remember, anything you buy, you get it with a pen. Mark the bartender. So check in. Set in.
Join us. The whole bartender family and the agents family are go there.
July 26th at Harmony Beach.
You never tell a lie, people. And you don't know from who there, vibes are for there. You know when I carry the boring thing, so boss, we had it. I could show them. All right, see. Wait, I was Sean there.
Sean, where you gone?
Me go down at Harmony Beach. Me go start set up.
No, but
But
that's not
Sean,
until July 26th.
you
Sean,
can't
come
do
here
that,
for bust
Sean.
that. I will
Sean, you know what I done?
Come on, man. Well, go on, Roxy.
Hey, Bubbles, what's up?
You alright? You sound a little out of breath.
Oh, well, I was working out, that's why.
Oh, okay, cool.
So what about you? How you doing? Any lead on Milton?
I'm there in New York. We can link up
Sure. Just tell me when.
Wednesday 2 p.m. That work for you?
I'll make it work. You know, say from your inner the US we have to link up.
The park at Staten Island.
Cool. So you not tell me if your mission was successful?
Let me see how I talk about that, Roxy.
Well, great. Looking forward.
Alright, cool.
Okay, Agent B.
Yes, sir. I made a stop over in New York. Yeah, I haven't seen them for over a year. Will do. Well, I guess if I have some time, I'll check in on her.
Oh, brother, what do you? How would you just miss it, so?
Brother, me there did something for the minister. I guess I need to lose my 3 points there.
So I really go back around daily.
I'm there. Now, brother, I'm not that man. I want to say it's a decent piece of food.
That's why I can't trust some more while now, my youth.
Me, brother.
When I tell you I'm done with him, because the boy I'm shaky.
So you, me for cut him off. So you cut him off.
Look how far we are far from. And I him go choose to show loyalty.
Nah, sure no loyalty, my dog. That's royalty.
I want to something. What him do you want to do for him?
I tell myself to scare some people. I never tell myself to fence them.
So, how I going?
I want to tell someone pick up a fat shot.
Adapt me and show you. And him want to run back.
Bro, you need a piece of food if you need something for Susan or something.
You see it? And you reach under the ground.
Yo, I need the butter between the bread. Start out now, start out. It's kind of slow me down.